Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Our tutorial today is about lighting in Blender. So just lighting is we have three categories of lighting: volumetric lighting and other kinds of lighting, like using HDRI to light your scene. So just I want to define what is volumetric lighting. It's a technique used in 3D computer graphics to add lighting effects to a rendered scene. It allows the viewer to see beams of light shining through the environment. Seeing sunbeams streaming through an open window is an example of volumetric lighting. In volumetric lighting, light cone emitted by a light source is modeled as transparent object and considered as container of volume. As a result, light has the capability to give the effect of passing through an actual three-dimensional medium such as fog, dust, smoke, or steam that is inside its volume, just like in the real world. Volumetric lighting is concerned with the background to the scene, which is part of 3D world and has its own set of nodes. So let me show you. Go over this button, World Properties. The use of nodes so far has been concerned with application of materials and textures to objects, and therefore has been confined to the use of object nodes. In the Shade Editor header, you see Object button with a cube icon, which when clicked opens selection menu. As shown in our example, to access word nodes, click on word in the menu. Click on Use Nodes, Properties Editor, the Word buttons, then Use Nodes. In the Shade Editor, change from Object Nodes to Word Nodes. Let's open up Shader Editor in this window. Go over here, click on Shader Editor. So in order to change from object nodes to word nodes, go over here, click, and then word nodes. And just zoom it a little bit like this in order to show it. So activating use nodes in the properties editor and shader type world as shown here, and as shown here in the nodes, displays the background and the world output of these two nodes connected. So what about the scene illumination, volumetric lighting? As an example to show you, light source placed behind the text object with the emitted light being dispersed in the atmosphere, creating a fog effect. To create this effect, have a text object placed between camera and the sample point light. The text object is positioned just above plane. And you can move it just a little bit to see the effect of lighting on this text, and we have some shadows. So let's continue with our tutorial. Just I want to add another node called Volume Scratcher node. Shift A, then search for Volume Scratcher. It's over there. Grab it, then connect it volume to volume. So let's see what we have over there. Now you should set the density to 40, hit enter. Anisotropy, so leave it as it is, then go to strength also. Effect using the node arrangement is only possible when volumetric lighting. So you should enable volumetric lighting. As you can see in our example, we have a volumetric lighting effect. Should go over here, click on this button, render properties, then go to check the volumetric lighting. Check it and check it, and you can watch the difference between them. As shown in our example.